One of the most important accessories is a quality USB-C hub. Whether you're working in a coffee shop, editing video on the go, or simply extending your iPad into a full workstation, the hub you choose matters. Here are 3 best USB-C hub options that work especially well with the iPad Pro M5.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have Dockteck USB C Hub. The Dockteck USB C Hub is a terrific value for anyone who wants a compact but capable hub for their iPad Pro M5. It supports 4K HDMI at 60 Hz, which is essential if you're connecting your iPad to an external monitor or TV and want smooth video playback or editing. On the power front, it features up to 100-watt pass-through charging, meaning you can power your iPad or even a MacBook through the hub while using other ports. It also offers SD and microSD card readers and multiple USB data ports, so it covers everything from photo import to connecting USB flash drives or other peripherals. The build is aluminum and lightweight, making it easy to carry with the iPad's slim form factor. What this means in practice is that the Dockteck Hub turns the iPad into a serious creative or productivity machine with minimal fuss and at a very reasonable price point. The only trade-off is that while it covers the essentials very well, ultra-high-end features such as dual HDMI, Thunderbolt 40 Gbps, etc. aren't present, but for many iPad users, this is more than enough. On number 2, we have Anker 332 USB C Hub. Anker is a well-known brand in the accessory space, and the Anker 332 USB C Hub is a streamlined option that keeps things simple while still offering excellent functionality. Its key features include a 4K HDMI output, a USB-C data port, USB-A ports, and a strong pass-through power delivery rating, 100-watt PDIN with 85-watt available for charging when used with the correct charger. Because it focuses on fewer ports, it tends to be more compact and lighter, good for travel or working on the go with the iPad Pro M5. Its appeal lies in its simplicity and reliability. If you're not needing the maximum possible number of ports, but you want solid performance and iPad compatibility, this Anker hub is a smart choice. The fewer moving parts can also mean fewer potential points of failure or compatibility quirks with iPadOS. One caveat: with fewer ports, you'll have to pick your peripherals carefully if you need to connect many devices simultaneously. But for many everyday iPad workflows, external display, card reader, flash drive, this hub hits a sweet spot. On number 3, we have Hyperdrive USB C Hub. For users who demand more from their setup and want a higher-tier hub, the Hyperdrive USB C Hub is a premium option. It supports 4K 30Hz HDMI, fast data transfer via USB-A and USB-C, and strong power delivery capabilities. Hyperdrive has built a reputation for covering advanced users, those working with larger external displays, multiple peripherals, or more complex workflows on their iPad Pro M5 or even MacBooks. The slim variant offers more ports and freedom for more demanding tasks, such as video editing or using multiple external devices. Another benefit is the quality of materials and design, which often translates to better longevity, less heat, and smoother integration. That said, premium features often come with a higher price and slightly bulkier form than the ultra-mobile budget hubs. If you envision your iPad Pro M5 being the centerpiece of a semi-permanent workstation, or you switch often between mobile and desk setups, this Hyperdrive hub gives you the headroom and flexibility you'll appreciate. So these are some of the best USB-C hub to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.